Good morning. Friday the 13th. I wish I had some spooky music queued, but I don't. Alright, so let's see if this Friday the 13th spooks the market, but doesn't look like so far. Yeah, ES is literally has done nothing since yesterday. Had a big move up, and its overnight session is trading just at the same range. Yesterday you couldn't get through that low volume area. It was kind of choppy. Remember I said we were likely to fill this area and go back between these two high volume nodes, and so far that's what we're having. And Q was more bullish. Overnight we had a gap up after the close. You can see better here. It was a pretty big gap. We closed down here at the 630 area, and then we opened all the way up here at 720 something. So like 90 point gap. That hasn't filled yet. We now just broke this all-time highs. We made new all-time highs. We're heading towards this target at 870, but just seeing a little bit of a pullback. So failing to stay above this high, then we're likely gonna come back and retest this area where the single prints are on the overnight session. And right now sellers seem to be taking control. Watch this high volume node at 95, and these 2 days we're trading mostly above the previous week's high. So staying above this is still very bullish. We have an RTH gap, but the gap is inside value for this session, so we could have some chop here and go back and forth in this area and just stay rotational. If seller starts pushing, then we have the 5-day point of control here at right above the weekly high. So this is an important area to watch. And if we get below that, then looking for a move into this 625, 630 area, and then some support in this area that I have marked as green, which is the weekly VWAP, and it's the low volume area, and it's the area that we broke away from, out of. It's really not much difference from yesterday for ES, so same kind of scenarios, looking for that chop inside that area. Also rollover week. This is the last week for this contract. We have 7 days left in the contract. I think some platforms already start quoting the new contract, if I'm not mistaken. But so far we have about half, less than half of the volume trading in the H contract, which is the next one coming up. And so be careful. Rollover weeks are weird. You get weird price action. You get sweeps coming out of nowhere that because traders are forced to move to the next contract. So just be careful with that. Take profits when you have them. move your stops, protect your profits. That's about it. Then crude oil. Yesterday we had a nice short after we came down in this area into this the middle of the distribution, but then buyers all of a sudden took control and brought it back all the way to where we started dropping from, and now we're holding above this low volume area. So just watching this at 69.8ish for support. Break below that, then we're likely gonna come back into the 69, 68, 60 area. And above that, remember I mentioned this untested highs. We tested some of that last night, and we have some more references above, but so far value is below us, so favoring short setups still. Same thing with gold, keeps testing this area, keeps being rejected. Third time, big rejection, so I'm expecting this to go back into the 2664 point of control. So far it's holding right here at this 21 EMA. We tested below and now we're coming back above it, so let's see if this is the time where we make we bounce in this area and then finally accept higher, or if we come back into where value is. We don't have much going on as far as economic releases today. Just some total rig count on at 1 p.m. So just main thing to watch for is weird rollover price action. So could be a choppy day today. Alright, good luck. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button for notifications, and I'll see you later.